The left and right
刀架太
horizontal
极拳
sweep
的走法
elbows are commonly used elbow
第
techniques
一
in Tai Chi
多有
Qchuan,
横刀走
characterized by sweeping the arm horizontally from the inside to the outside to strike the opponent. This technique is often used in combat to strike the opponent's side or when they are attacking, with its quick and fierce nature. The left and right horizontal top elbows
第
are
二
defensive elbow
多
techniques
有
in Tai
横
Chi
顶走
Qchuan, characterized by striking the opponent horizontally from the outside to the inside. This technique is effective in countering the opponent's horizontal attacks or grabs, effectively stopping their advances. The left and right upward elbows are
第三
offensive elbow techniques
多有
in Tai
上
Chi
挑走
Chuan, characterized by striking the opponent from below to above. This technique is quick and versatile, suitable for counter-attacking when the opponent is attacking from a lower position or grabbing. The left and right diagonal elbows are versatile elbow techniques in Tai Chi
第四
Chuan, characterized by
多用
striking
斜
the
挑走
opponent diagonally. This technique is effective in countering the opponent's side attacks or sudden changes, creating opportunities to strike the opponent. The left and right downward chopping elbows are powerful elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan,
多用
characterized
下
by
劈走
chopping the opponent from top to bottom. This technique is effective in counter-attacking when the opponent is attacking from a higher position or grabbing, with its powerful and wide striking area. The left and right downward sinking elbows are targeted
第六
elbow techniques in Tai Chi
多
Chuan,
用下
characterized
擒走
by sinking the arm from top to bottom to strike the opponent. This technique is effective in countering the opponent's high attacks or attempts to grab, with its controlling effect. The left and right horizontal hook elbows are flexible and versatile
第七
elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan, characterized by
横
hooking
跟走
the arm horizontally from the inside to the outside to strike the opponent. This technique is effective in counter-attacking when the opponent is sidestepping or attempting to attack from behind, with its quick and versatile nature.
第八
The left and right
多用
rearward
后
elbows
挑
are
走
unexpected elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan, characterized by striking the opponent backward with the arm. This technique can be used when the opponent is not expecting it, with its unexpected nature and breakthrough effect. The
第九
left and right downward top elbows
多
are
用后
controlling
顶走
elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan, characterized by striking the opponent downward with the arm. This technique is effective in counter-attacking when the opponent is attacking from a lower position or attempting to grab, with its
第十
ability to create
多用
opportunities.
前
The
天走
left and right rearward top elbows are versatile elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan, characterized by striking the opponent backward with the arm. This technique can be used when the opponent is not expecting it or attempting to
11
attack from behind, with its unexpected effect.
多
The
用
left
交叉
and
下
right
天走
forward top elbows are targeted elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan, characterized by striking the opponent forward with the arm. This technique is effective in counter-attacking when the opponent is attempting to sidestep or suddenly charge, with its ability to stop the opponent. The left
多
and
用
right
合点
crossed
走
downward pointing elbows are powerful elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan, characterized by crossing the arms and striking downward. This technique is effective in counter-attacking when the opponent is attempting to attack from behind
13
or suddenly change, with its
双
ability
挑
to
双横
create
走
opportunities to strike the opponent. The left and right lateral pointing elbows are flexible and versatile elbow techniques in Tai Chi Chuan, characterized by striking the opponent laterally from the inside to the outside. This technique